Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ford Transit in reverse. First, always make sure your vehicle is completely stopped. Press the brake pedal down firmly with your foot. Then, locate the gear selector lever. For most models, you will simply move this lever into the R position. This ensures a smooth and safe transition into reverse gear. For Ford Transits with an automatic transmission, ensure the vehicle is either in park or neutral before you begin. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, simply slide the gear selector into the R position. Once engaged, slowly release the brake pedal to allow the vehicle to begin moving backward. Always proceed with caution. If your Ford Transit has a manual transmission, the process is slightly different. You must first press the clutch pedal all the way down to the floor. Then, move the gear lever into the reverse gate. Some models may require you to lift a collar on the shifter before engaging reverse. Slowly release the clutch while maintaining light pressure on the brake. When reversing your Ford Transit, safety is paramount. Always check all your mirrors and physically look around your vehicle to ensure the path is clear. If your Transit is equipped with a rearview camera, utilize it. Reverse slowly and with extreme caution, being especially aware of any pedestrians, children, or obstacles that may be in your blind spots.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.